A very quick one. Listing. This will not be more than 2 minutes. Listing. This not as a new beginners trader. I will set some advice for you. Do not look for sniper entry. Do not look for sniper entry where you are looking for a tight stop loss. Do not look for sniper. Get it right first before looking for a sniper entry. Secondly, there is no holy grail. There is no perfect strategy. There is no perfect strategy. You understand? Just stick to a strategy. Be consistent. Learn how to use the strategy perfectly. Then move on. Then secondly, all trader has their losing days. If you lose a trade, do not feel emotional. Do not feel down. Do not feel emotional. Learn from it and what? Move on. Learn from it and move on. Then lastly, follow the trend. Follow the trend. The trend is your friend. Follow the trend. Do not try to go against the trend. Do not try to go against the trend. Follow the trend. Okay.